and welcome back to the Infinity Hoop Workout channel. Today we've got a 10-minute Infinity Hoop tutorial for beginners. And as always, we do ask that you subscribe and like our videos so that you can be notified when new videos are added to our library. So in this video, we're going to get you comfortable with using the Infinity Hoop, keeping a good rhythm going, keeping a good pace going. And then we're going to also introduce some upper body movements. So we're going to take it slow at first to get you used to the ball, and then also how to add in your upper body movements. So we're going to continue on with our 3-minute warm-up, and then we'll get right into our upper body movements. So use this time to get your rhythm going, to get your pace going, because it's going to be the same pace and rhythm that you're going to maintain. So now we're going to look at positioning. There's two basic positions that allows you to be able to maintain your pace and your rhythm throughout the workout. There's the side-to-side movement where you have your legs shoulder width apart and you rock from leg to leg. And then there's the front-to-back motion where you're going to put one leg in the front, one leg in the back, and you're going to rock forward and backward. Of course, in both of those positions, you want to keep your knees slightly bent so that it keeps the pressure off your back. Now, as we continue in this 3-minute warm-up, you want to use this time to focus on setting that good pace and that good rhythm, and keep a beat in your head, because that's what you want to maintain throughout the workout. By adding upper and lower body movements to your Infinity Hoop workout, you're boosting your calorie burn between 30 and 50%. So use these tutorials to get yourself comfortable with adding the upper and lower body movements so that you can get the most out of your workout. Have you settled in on a good pace and a rhythm yet for your Infinity Hoop? Because we'll be moving on shortly to the upper body movements. Coming up next is going to be lateral arm extensions, and we're going to do a hold position so that you can get comfortable with movement. Get ready to begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, extend your arms out to your side. Make sure you keep it above your waist so it doesn't come in contact with your ball. We're going to hold it there for a minute so that you can get used to focusing on that ball's rhythm and pace while you've got your arms extended. This is also going to help to build your endurance so that you're able to keep your arms up above your waist for the entire 30 minutes as you advance to your 30-minute sessions. You guys are doing great. Coming up next, we're going to do some alternating. You're going to bring your arms in at shoulder level, and then you're going to extend them back out. You bring them in for a count of 4, take them out for a count of 4. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 2, 3, 4. Keep it going for a count of 10. Now we're going to take a 1-minute break. Make sure you come back and visit this video 2 more times today so that you can get a full 30-minute workout. Remember, the goal is to work your way up to 30 minutes per session. Coming up next is going to be arm raises. You're going to start with your arms straight out in front of you. You're going to raise them above your head, and it's going to be a count of 4. So they're going to be straight in front of you for a count of 4, and then they'll go up for a count of 4. 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going, a count of 15. You guys are doing great. Get ready for a 1-minute break. Always make sure that you're doing your stretches before and after each workout so that you can keep your muscles nice and loose. Make sure also that you're making good food choices and you're drinking your fluids to keep your body nice and hydrated. You guys are doing great. To make sure that you're keeping a good pace and a good rhythm, because that's the one you're going to keep throughout the workout. Congratulations, you made it to the cool down. Give yourself a hand. So in this video, we learned about the proper positioning. You want to keep your legs shoulder width apart, whether you're doing the side to side or the front to back motion. You want to make sure that your knees are slightly bent so that you're not putting any pressure on your back. We also learned how to properly integrate the upper body movements into your workout. We introduced them slowly so that you can get used to concentrating on 2 things at the same time, which is keeping your pace and rhythm while you're moving your upper body. And lastly, you learned how to speed up and slow down. The deeper your movements, the faster the ball goes. The shallower the movement, the slower the ball goes. So you want to make sure that you're consistent throughout. Try to keep the same pace and rhythm. Unless you're doing sprints or something where you're needing it to go fast, you want to try to keep it consistently at the same pace throughout your workout. So enjoy the rest of this cool down. We've got another 40 seconds or so, and then we'll be completed. So stay with it, because I always say the warm-up and the cool down is just as important as the workout in the middle. So stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next workout. You guys rocked it today. Give yourself a hand. You did it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.